Open.
Oh.
Close. What are those? What's inside of this?
Open.
Can you open it? Oh yeah, that one's a tough one actually. Yeah, this one's a tough one. What are those? Frogs, that's right. What's in here? What are these?
Kitty cat.
Kitty cats, yes.
Meow.
Meow.
Ah.
What sound do frogs make? Very good.
Open.
Can you open it? Ooh, you got it. Very good. It's a tough one. Frog. Frog. There are 5 frogs in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oosh.
Whoosh.
Oosh. Bye-bye.
5 frogs. Did you lock it?
Lock it. Lock it.
Yeah, I locked it.
Lock it. Glasses.
Yeah, glasses. Hi, cutie.
Fish.
Are those fish in there?
Duck.
Dog. That's right. How many dogs are there?
Watch you.
1, 2. Very good.
Two.
2.
Two.
2 dogs.
Two. Two. Oh, no. Ooh. Ooh.
Can you open that one? What's inside of this one? You have to unlock it. Almost. You just locked it. What are those?
Kitty cat.
No, those are bunnies.
Bunny.
Yeah, or rabbits.
Rabbit. Bunnies.
Bunny rabbit?
Okay. Rabbit.
Yes. 4 rabbits. Can you say bye-bye?